Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stripe affiliate program for payment integrations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Stripe. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Stripe website. Once the page loads, look for the Login button located at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. You will now see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address you used to register for your Stripe account. Next, input your password into the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link to initiate a recovery process. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button to access your account. If you have two-step verification enabled, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Upon successful login, you will be taken to your Stripe dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Affiliates section found on the left menu. Click on Affiliates to access your affiliate program settings. Here, you can view your affiliate links and referral statistics. If you need to create or manage your payment integrations, find the Integrations tab. Click on Integrations to see options for payment methods and APIs. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up or modify the payment integrations as needed. Once you are done, review your settings to ensure everything is configured properly. You can now start using your Stripe account for affiliate payments and integrations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.